Welcome to our channel. This is the coronation weekend, so my family were coming up to have some family time together and celebrate the coronation of King Charles III. My son came up and Eliza stopped his daughter that night, and my daughter came up and stayed as well. So hope you enjoy this video. At the moment we're just having a cup of tea outdoors because it's very early in the morning, and we just got all the seating areas prepared for when the children came up and we could go and rest and relaxation on the garden later after watching the coronation.
Move that round, it can't go about that.
You're alright, you can still see it.
Let's just take these pictures in.
Of course, Apple and Pumpkin had to join in for the coronation. So here's Bri putting the Union Jack on Apple. We crowned the Apple Queen of our house. You waiting to be crowned? You can be the Queen of the house for today, Pumpkin. Beautiful! Beautiful crown.
I'm looking at the congregation now, the President John Elliott Gardner, and everyone looks like they're enjoying it. It's a real sort of feast for the
Couples.
Only 2,000 people this time instead of 8,000 last time. So it's quite a special.
Of course, to those who don't like the monarchy, and we've got a little bit of news this morning that there is a protest going on, and this is something that we have grown used to, perhaps under this the late Queen, and the Republic group, who clearly wants a republic and an elected head of state, have a protest at Trafalgar Square, and this morning their chief executive, a chap called Graham Smith, police. Of course, we heard from the police earlier in the week, didn't we, that they would have a very low threshold.
She thinks it's a collar, that's why.
We may be bringing our umbrellas out, and also including this, which is the actual order of service. Beautifully that we're going to see through. So we will tell you a little bit more about that when we've had a chance to read it through. So.
Ooh, lasagna looks nice. All in preparation for this bank holiday weekend. King's coronation. We'll see what them doggos are doing. Well,
Phase 4 phase, the sons of close friends and close constructed. Just 9 years old, much the youngest of them. Go on, get him!
did she get you?
Yeah.
High five. Now get it, get it. Go on. High five.
Thank you.
Alright, love. Oh, I don't know if you want any barbecue sauce or out. Right, bye.
Yes, yeah.
You the Princess Royal. Princess Eliza. Princess Eliza. Yay! Oh, look at all the soldiers on here. Look, they've got big hats called beef eaters. Yeah. Got to be quiet.
Taking hats off. Ooh. That's his haircuts.
That's the only reason to do it. Ready? Shall we say hip hip hooray? Hey! Hey! You ready? Yay!
Yeah, so you've got a hat in your hand when you say that.
Yay! Look, that's King and that's oh no, she's gone now. King and Queen's gone. Yeah, got big hats, haven't they? Ready? Again. Hats, yeah. Oh. Doing a march again, watch. Hear the music. Oh look, that's the King and that's Queen Consort.
Queen.
Consort. Can't see you. Can't see you. The doggy's watching it as well. Apple and Pumpkin are watching it. I'm sitting down then.
I'm swinging you.
Oh, dog swing, dog. Apple's swinging you. I got it on video as well. Don't do it to art thinger. Oh, I won't do that, Brian.
Oh, if it takes my weight, it's going to take it. Isn't it?
Yeah, but if you're swinging it and swizzling it. What are you going to watch? Oh, what are you watching?
So does this beef underwater take over the humans and stuff?
Oh, your charger's fit. Is that phone in there? What? 'Cause mine won't fit it.
Yeah, this one.
Listen back with my charger.
I should know that because I had my phone charged.
Let me plug that in. Can you see Sienna? Can you get it? Are you sure? No, don't. It's bad for the kidneys. That nice? Is it cheese? Are you going to have some more pasta? Ooh, Grandma's going to eat it. Pasta and cheese. That's nice, isn't it? Yum. Yum, 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 yum. That nice? You know that.
Whoa, Humpty, Dumpty, gotta get No, unless I'm smiling.
Sunday morning, Eliza had Rice Krispies for breakfast and was playing on a scooter on our back garden. Yeah, no. Yay! Good scootering. Get down from Own Bargains. They're cheaper.
I would normally get stuff like that from Wilkinson's. Cheaper. Even wash stuff's cheap at Wilkinson's.
So now you want to go and be on your pudding duty in a bit?
Oh.
Cooking nice. Spinach today. We had spinach for ages, have we? Oh, they look nice.
Emergency calls only. Device overheating.
Put it in fridge.
I've never had that before.
After Sunday lunch, we decided to have a cup of tea outdoors and chill out on the garden.
It needs to be
Me and
straight.
my granddaughter
Straight at the bottom.
go and water their seedlings later on. Thank you. You come in then. Pumpkin broke this. Look at these in here. And then I've got onions as well. Can you manage? I need to do. You're gonna be a tart first. You can do. I'll do back ones. You can do front ones. Is that okay? No, it's a fly. Right, you do pumpkins. It's enough. Right, just them two, the other one over there. It's warm down here, isn't it? Oh, just one more, sweetheart. That's it. Thank you. Well done. Right. You should go and see if you can recognise some of the plants. You don't to zip up after me. Right, I've got lots of weeds and a bit of poop. Right, Grandma planted onions here. It needs weeding as well. So, I don't know if that's this. Get that one out. That's a weed. Can you see these? What's in rows? I know you don't like onions, but they're all white onions, and then I planted red onions there. And then in this one, we've got potatoes. Yeah, all potatoes cut along there. And then in here, oh, they're coming up. We've got carrots and parsnips in this one. Can you see these little ones here?
Yeah.
These are all carrots and parsnips in here. And then in this one, we ain't got none. Have we got any? Oh, we've got something in there. Oh, what's this? Might cross here. But I don't weed them unless they're in a straight line, like they are. So we know, oopsie daisy. Watch me walking down here, Favy, because he might be poop.
Another can of Pepsi.
Yeah. You better shout, Darby, the Darwys actually. Oh, yeah. Oh, they're being dug up then. Right, let's get all these out. These are onions, these ones.
What you growing in the greenhouse?
I can't see, I know she'll tell you.
What's in the greenhouse, Sienna?
Pumpkins, tomatoes, sunflowers, sprouts, green beans, isn't there? And they've got some chilies up there. What else have we got?
I don't know.
They're called chocolate longfoot peppers. Pumpkins are supposed to grow this big, Sienna. Pumpkins are supposed to grow this big. So we can do a big pumpkin carving. We love. There. Oh, there. Oh, I'm just putting that bucket, love. Thank you.
Apple tried buying it.
Did she? When? That Mediterranean garden.
What was that, hammer?
It's a swing. It's a chair. Swing.
Yeah.
Well, she can loop back hard, put everything away.
You taking your goodie bag home? Doggy bag.
Huh?
Food?
Oh, yeah.
Watching from the royal box, the King and Queen, the Prince and Princess of Wales, Princess Charlotte and Prince George, and other members of the family.
And samosas were on the menu as the Indian community hosted a big lunch with
Everything. Plus 25% off your first order with FlexiPay. 3 weeks.
This is the nighttime view of the solar lights working in the Mediterranean vibe courtyard that we did. Still a work in progress, still need to do some more stenciling on it. So, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. High five from Apple Pie and Pumpkin. Until next time, bye friends.